Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I hoped you had a great night last night. You had fun with your family. Today is Tuesday. I have another message. If you're not Haitian, keep strolling. This message is for the Haitian restaurant owners, workers. I am located in Palm Beach County. I'm speaking to Haitian restaurant owners in Palm Beach County. I know there's a lot of other ones, but I'm doing the one in my nearest proximity. You know, the consensus is Haitian don't support Haitian. I'm going to scream it out, say it loud. That's a lie. Most Haitian restaurant owners do not respect Haitian customers. When a Haitian who works so hard go to your facility giving you their extremely hard-earned money, you don't respect it. You don't respect our time. When we go to you to spend money in your establishment, you shamed us. You have no customer service whatsoever. To me, anybody who's opening a business, a Haitian restaurant, bump it. I'm creating a school to teach you how to treat your customer for customer service. It is ridiculousness. And when we do complain to the owner, they say they're doing their best. If you don't like it, go someplace else. Where is the respect? You do not respect our dollar. That's why you feel like most Haitians don't support Haitian businesses, because we do. Most Haitian business owners have no kind of respect. You need to learn customer service. It should be part of your business plan. Customer service, customer retention. So please, Haitian business owners, restaurants, this message is for you. I'm giving it free to you because I love you. We want to see change. Maybe that's it.